today this morning we're getting loaded up. We got a Lexus ES 330. We're gonna be doing front struts, lower control arms, and a rear brake job on. So we're just getting loaded up for that this morning. And then we have to, they're getting oil changed too, so we gotta pick up the oil filter for that on the way there. And yeah, then we're gonna head out there and get to work. I'm looking for this guy. My tie rod and bow joint separator kit, just in case that little bow joint decides to give me a hard time. Alright, so we are en route now. We got about 25 minutes before we arrive there. We got our own filter, I picked that up. So yeah, we cue the time lapse. Guys, we are here. Back in and get set up. A little bit of a tight space. We've been here before though. Might try set up right here. That ought to work. My knee pads. Okay, so I got my lower control arm started on this side. Now I have to get it started on this side. But as you can see, the sway bar link's pushing down on it, so I'm going to have to push up while I carefully thread these in so I don't cross thread it. If I was on a lift or I had both tires off and the car was fully jacked up, I'd just loosen this sway bar link on both sides and swing it out the way, but that's not our situation right now, so we're gonna try do it this way. That will work. Alright, that's gonna wrap up this side. Gotta take pictures of everything so my client can see how nice everything looks. And do the same thing to the other side, and then we're going to do the rear brakes. Alright guys, we are wrapping up today. We did front struts, lower control arms, that upper engine mount. We did oil and filter service. We did a front pad slap, rear pads and rotors. It was a good day. It was about a 6-hour paying job, and it's 4 o'clock now. We start at 10, so took about 6 hours. So pretty good. Can't complain. But that's the only car I had scheduled for today. I knew it would take most of the day. But so I'm done for the day. I'm heading home. But thanks for hanging out, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and like button if you like this content. I'm trying to help this channel grow, and by hitting the like button, it helps other people to find a video like you. So thanks again for watching, guys. Happy New Year, and I will see you next time.